Hello everyone, I'm Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert, and in this video, we'll explore one of the most practical tools in project management, the Power Interest Matrix. It helps us identify which stakeholders matter most and how to engage them effectively. The Power Interest Matrix, also known as the Stakeholder Power Grid, is used to categorize stakeholders based on two key factors: their power, how much influence they have over project decisions; their interest, how much they care about or are affected by the project outcome. This helps project managers plan the right communication strategy for each group. Let's understand the four quadrants of the matrix. 1. High power, high interest, manage closely. These are your key stakeholders. They have strong influence and are deeply invested in project success. Example: project sponsors, clients, or steering committee members. Keep them updated regularly, involve them in decision-making, and build trust. 2. High power, low interest. Keep satisfied. They can make major decisions but may not be interested in daily details. Example: senior executives or regulatory authorities. Share concise reports, highlight achievements, but avoid overloading them with minor issues. 3. Low power, high interest. Keep informed. They are eager to know what's happening but lack formal authority. Example: end users, support teams, or department staff. Keep them informed about progress and ask for feedback to boost engagement. 4. Low power, low interest. Monitor, minimal effort. They neither influence the project nor are deeply affected. Example: general public or minor suppliers. Just monitor them occasionally for changes in attitude or impact. Let's take an example. Imagine you're managing a smart city project. The municipal commissioner has high power and high interest. Manage closely. The environmental department has high power but low interest. Keep satisfied. Local residents have low power but high interest. Keep informed. Distant suppliers have low power and low interest. Minimal effort needed. By mapping stakeholders this way, you can prioritize your time and communication effectively. Here's how you can create your own Power Interest Matrix. Identify all stakeholders. Assess each one's power and interest. Plot them in the correct quadrant. Plan your engagement and communication strategies. Review the matrix regularly because influence and interest can change over time. The Power Interest Matrix is simple yet powerful. It helps project managers focus energy on the right people, those who can truly shape your project's success. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to PM Expert for more project management and business leadership lessons. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.